All right, good morning, guys. Got the 150R out. Gonna do a little riding today. I want to test my Vise clamp mount here. I got a couple spots. I'm gonna try it. I don't know how it's gonna go, how it's gonna look, but I got the chin mounts vertical mount on the front of the helmet today. I want to get some vertical YouTube shorts content, just ripping through the trails with this Insta 360 camera. You turn it sideways, you got that action mode. It gets, you know, pretty wide view, even though it's 9x16 as opposed to, not 9x16, but whatever, I forget off the top of my head, but the vertical video as opposed to landscape. So everything is good on the 150R, and we're just gonna rip. Hopefully it's not too muddy. Last ride was really muddy, so I'm gonna get out there and try to get some cool shots today. All right, GoPro is mounted. It seems like it does come a little loose, but it stayed on, so I'm going to tighten it back down here and do one more little segment through some trails I like. Let's see what we can do. It's kind of angled down. Wish it was angled up a little bit more, but the way it works is, you know, how it works. Now, there is a threaded hole here. I don't know if it's a 1/4 if you could put something else in there, like a tripod, and then put that on there. I just noticed that, so that could potentially be another mounting service point rather, so I have to investigate that. All right, GoPro 360 is recording again on my chin mount. The main camera here that we're doing the whole video on is my Insta 360 Ace Pro 2, which has been a solid camera so far. I really like it. Crispy 4K footage, baby. Not like I usually have GoPros back in the day. You couldn't even record really in 4K, so let's do it. Come on, 150. Let's get it in neutral. There we go. There we go. All right, I found another use for the Vise clamp there. It's on my grab handle in the van, and I can record myself like this. And with the Insta, I got the screen flipped up so I can see my lighting and everything. It's not the best angle because of the way the bar is, and you can only angle the camera up, but I mean, I'm in frame. It looks all right. So just got done testing everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the shots and everything. 150 was ripping as usual, and I'm starting to get a little more used to the bike and learn the trails a little bit. I've been out every weekend this whole season here, so you know, starting to learn a little bit, but it's a little muddy, and it's just like kind of like a princess with it, you know. I'm trying not to get like super muddy and all that. It's not like as fun when you get to splash these big mud puddles. So I'm just coming out for a few hours. I'm not like going out all day and trying to be like a hero or anything, you know. I like to come out in the mornings, have a little fun. Hopefully tomorrow I get a long ride in with my buddy. We're going to explore the other side of the place because usually we only stay on this one side. But I just came out today to try to get these shots with this Vise clamp and test it and see what I could get with the 360. So hopefully you guys enjoyed everything, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.